Why? Dam failure videos are so trending and highly viewed videos on YouTube and social media nowadays. Can you imagine how these disasters grab people's attention? The top trending videos showed dam bursting and massive flood outcomes in affected areas. Failure is unacceptable for dams, because not only it is financially costly, but people's lives are put at risk. Unfortunately, it still may occur, which results in downstream areas to be drowned by floods, tsunamis, and mudflows. Here are massive 5 dams failures in the history of world, from bombing Möhne Reservoir to deadliest Banqiao Reservoir Dam Failure. Number 5 is the Kurenivka Mudslide. On March 13, 1961, a dam that secured the loam pulp dump of a brick factory near the capital city of Kiev in Ukraine, gave way due to heavy rains. Disaster struck as massive volumes of pulp moved at great speeds down the hill slopes into the inhabited area below. Although official reports mentioned only 146 fatalities, it is believed over 1,500 human lives were lost in the disaster. In the aftermath of the disaster, several engineers and managers responsible for designing and building the dam were convicted. Number 4 is Möhne Reservoir Failure. This Möhne Reservoir was created by damming 2 rivers, Kiev and Möhne. The reservoir is located in the North Rhine-Westphalia in Germany. The dam on the reservoir was subjected to bombing during the Second World War. On the fateful night of May 16 to 17, 1943, bouncing bombs were targeted at the dam by RAF Lancaster bombers. The protective nets hanging on the water were unable to stop the bombs. A massive hole was created on the dam that allowed water to spill over and flood large areas around the dam. At least 1,579 people lost their lives in this human-induced disaster. Of those who died, 1,026 people were foreign laborers who were forced to work in Germany and lived in camps near the dam. Number 3 is the Möhne Dam Failure. The Möhne Dam was constructed in 1959 across the Möhne River in Nerto e Casso municipality in Venice, Italy. Disaster struck on October 9, 1963, when during the initial filling, a landslide triggered a mega tsunami in the lake created by the dam. About 50 million cubic meters of floodwater lashed onto nearby towns and villages in the form of an 820 feet high wave. 1,910 human deaths were recorded in this disaster. It is claimed that there were early signs that the disaster would happen since the dam was located in a geologically unstable area. However, these signs were largely ignored by the concerned authorities. Number 2 is South Fork Dam Failure. The South Fork Dam was built on the artificially created Lake Conemaugh in Pennsylvania, the US between 1838 and 1853. On May 31, 1889, the dam burst and led to a massive disaster involving the loss of 2,209 human lives. The disaster resulted from incessant and unprecedented rainfall. As the dam gave way, nearly 20 million tons of water rushed into the nearby towns, washing away all that came in the path of the floodwaters. The disaster was termed the Johnstown Flood. The town of Johnstown was one of the worst affected places during this disaster. Number 1 is Banqiao Reservoir Dam Failure. The failure of the dam on the Möhne River in China's Zhoumadian city was the deadliest dam failure ever. The construction of the Banqiao Dam was initiated in April 1951 and completed by 1952. Although initially, the dam exhibited several cracks and signs of other constructional errors, after the repairs, it was claimed that the dam was unbreakable. On August 1974, Typhoon Nina struck the region and its collision with the cold front resulted in excessive rainfall in the area. Finally, on August 8, the catastrophic disaster struck as the dam gave way and massive volumes of water engulfed the nearby areas. The dam failure caused an estimated 171,000 deaths. Millions of people were also displaced and huge losses to property were also recorded. Later, the dam was rebuilt. It's the end for now. Like and subscribe for more videos.